In this video, we are going to learn how to identify points on a coordinate plane. For this, we are taking this example. Which of the following points lie on the axis? Also, name the axis. Here are the points given. Now, we'll take the coordinate plane. In this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And this quadrant is called as Q1. This is called as quadrant Q2 or the second quadrant. This is called as Q3 or the third quadrant. And this is called as Q4 or the fourth quadrant. Now, let us identify the points. Let us take the first point. When you consider the first point, it is -5 and -8. -5 and -8 both are negative. That means the abscissa and the ordinate, both of them are negative. So, it comes to the Q3 third quadrant. Okay, that means it doesn't lie on any of the axes. Now, let us take the second point. The second point is 0, 13. 0, 13. Now, let us find out where this point comes. 0 is the abscissa. Abscissa means the distance from y-axis. That means it is at a distance of 0 units from y-axis. Therefore, we can point it on y-axis. Now, the y-coordinate is 13. That means it is at a distance of 13 units from the x-axis. Therefore, the point can be marked somewhere here, which indicates 0, 13. And this point is lying on the y-axis. So, I will be writing as this point is on y-axis. Now, let us take the third one. The third point is 4, -2. If you see the x-coordinate or the abscissa, it is 4, which is positive, and the ordinate, which is -2, and which comes to the Q4 quadrant, because positive and negative sign come to Q4 quadrant. So, this point can be marked here in this quadrant. That means it is not lying on any axis. Now, let us take the fourth point. In this, the abscissa is negative and the ordinate is 0. Negative and positive come to Q2 quadrant. Now, let us try to identify this point. -2 means 2 units away from y-axis and to its left. So, the abscissa is being marked here and the ordinate is 0. That means it is 0 units away from x-axis. Therefore, the point comes here, which is -2, 0. So, this point lies on x-axis. Now, let us write it as x-axis here. Now, let us consider the fifth point. The fifth point is 0, -8. Let us mark this point 0. That means the abscissa is 0. When the abscissa is 0, it is 0 units away from y-axis. That means it is on this line. Now, let us see the ordinate. The ordinate is negative. That means it is -8 units away from x-axis. That means it will be coming in this side. But it is 0 units away from y-axis. So, it will be on this line, and this is -6, -7 and -8 will be down. So, somewhere around here the 0, -8 point will be there. That means it is on y-axis but negative y-axis. Now, let us mark it as y-axis. Now, let us take the sixth point. The sixth point is 7, 0. That means the abscissa is 7 and the ordinate is 0, and 7 means it is 7 units away from y-axis. That means 5, 6, 7. And again it is 0. That means it is 0 units away from x-axis. Therefore, the point can be marked here as 7, 0. That means it is on x-axis. Now, let us take this point. This is 0, 0. That means this point's abscissa is 0 and the ordinate is 0. We can mark this point here because it is 0 units away from x-axis and 0 units away from y-axis. Therefore, this is origin. In the next video, we'll solve some more examples related to coordinates.